Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great week. Today's tutorial is on the look you saw in the beginning of this video. These are called marble nails and this design is very much trending right now. This design is so easy to do and at the same time it is beautiful as well. So here is a little fact about me. I am a student of geology and basically we deal with rocks. So this nail art of marble rock design is a very favorite of mine. So now we will start off with the design, but before that you know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. That was today's design. I really wish to see marble nails on your fingers. And I really hope you liked my video. So please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. And I'm going to see you next week with a new design. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, take care, have a great week ahead and bye.